Guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, 2025. As you can see, today we blew our Express account, or not Express, our eval account. Yeah, let's get right into it. So, coming into market open today, I mean, on the higher time frame, we were just tapping into this 1 hour, or this 15 minute, and like right here was when I entered my trade. I wanted us to reject off of equilibrium of this leg here, as well as this 1 hour, or the top half of this 1 hour and bottom half of a 15 minute. And I wanted shorts today. I was looking at these as my target. And after yesterday being super bearish, despite like resting at all-time highs, we came all the way down and tapped into new week opening gap yesterday, which I guess is the reason was a good enough reason. But I guess today all-time highs kind of reverted back to the overall bias, just longs, and I didn't really think that way when I got on the charts. I was like, okay, we have a lot of bearish confluence here. I thought, this was generated trendline liquidity. There were, the short I took was this trade right here. We had an SMT at the high with a resweep, still in this 15-minute here. And we had a really clean inverse right here. This little 1 minute right here was super clean. So I took this. And I was really just going all the way because I was like, okay, well, I could target here or here. But I was like, this was pretty much the trade. Almost hit break even. Unfortunately, we didn't. And that caused me to tilt. Not even tilt, really. I was just like I wasn't even angry. I was just like, well, fuck it. So I full ported shorts again. Where did I full port? I think up here or something, or maybe it was right. It was on this candle when we rejected this wick here. I was shorting again there on like 4 or 5 minis. That didn't work out. So what I should have done was obviously just taking the loss. But since this is an evaluation, I don't know. Just a rough day for me. Not my best performance for sure. I mean, I don't fucking know, man. I'm just not having a very good fucking trading experience recently. Yeah, I just can't get a legitimate win. Seems like I don't know. I'm taking every wrong play, which is crazy to me because yeah. But it is what it is. Obviously it sucks ass, and I wish I didn't full port this, and I wish I didn't even take this short. I wish I just waited, because in the moment, I was like, okay, everything kind of lines up. Like, we're only right here. We have a little bit of a wick coming from consequent encroachment of this 15-minute. We have a resweep and an SMT at the highs. internally, and everything looks really, really good for shorts here. Like, the only problem would be inversing what gaps we just created, which honestly I wasn't even worried about. um, Everything from there was just like smooth trendline liquidity on the higher time frame. But I should have, what I'm taking home today was, well, one, obviously don't full port shit just because I lost, and two, I guess just remain bullish. Like, yesterday was really confusing for me because, like, yes, we had a new week opening gap that hadn't been tapped into on either pair. So it makes sense that we would just, it kind of makes sense that we would randomly be bearish, which is fine. But today, like, after that, I guess not having a new week opening gap, just having pure trendline liquidity isn't enough for all-time highs to be bearish. So going forward, I guess what I could take away from this is, at all-time highs, if there's a new week opening gap, always be mindful that your bias may be proven wrong. Like, if I'm bullish and there's a new week opening gap that hasn't been tapped into, always keep it in mind, because you never know when the market will decide to reverse and go lower. And then if the new week opening gap has been tapped, then just automatically assume that the bias will revert back to bullish. So that's kind of what I'm taking away from this. It is what it is. It sucks having to make a video about this type of shit. Like, I know people fucking banked today just because they're like, oh, all-time high is long, long, long. But I guess that's how you have to be. You just kind of have to be like a fucking retard to I don't know. But I mean, it's not the worst thing. It's just an eval. You could make back this in one trade, literally. I don't know. These, like, I don't want to blame the market conditions either, but man, this shit is throwing me for a fucking loop. Like, I've traded all-time highs before. I can't remember. It was a couple months ago. But I don't know. It was not this weird. Like, I think mixed with the government shutdown and stuff. Like, today obviously wasn't bad price action. I'm not saying it's all bad price action. I'm just saying, like, it's, I don't know. I'm just in my head, I think, overthinking things, and tweaking out a little bit. Like going short here. Like, if we weren't at all-time highs, this would have been a perfect setup, but whatever. So, yeah. Anyways, that's all I got. I mean, there was news at 2. Nothing really happened. Tomorrow, tomorrow, what do we have tomorrow? Tentative unemployment claims, 8:30 pred. Yeah, fuck it. I'll just, I'm gonna renew this account or reset it, and then tomorrow I'll continue trading. I was debating taking a break, but, honestly, I just need to, I think maybe, because right now I just wake up and kind of like grab my laptop and trade in bed, but maybe I need to like get more awake before Because sometimes I'd be taking trades and I'm like half asleep. Like on this trade, I was obviously awake doing this market analysis, but at the same time, I was like, I had just woken up and I don't know. Like maybe if I was thinking 5% clearer, I would have been like, wait, let's just hold on because we're close to all-time highs. And yeah. So I don't know. I think tomorrow I'm just gonna set like a hard alarm for 6 a.m. 30 minutes before market open. Take a shower for 10 minutes. Wake up. Get that shit out of the way. Maybe do some push-ups, and then um, sit down 15 minutes before, analyze the market, and get myself ready mentally and woken up, because I really have been trading like half asleep for a while. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do going forward. I mean, something's obviously wrong, so I'm just gonna start using process of elimination and figure out what it is that's causing me to blow dicks trading. Cause I swear I'm not a bad trader. I don't know. Like obviously, like you could say I am. Yes, I traded like ass today, but I've had weeks. I mean, weeks on weeks where I've like seen success and traded super well. So I guess like I don't know. Something's definitely wrong though. But anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna stop yapping, and I will be here tomorrow. I will make another video, and we'll be back at it. This is the one, guys. This is the one. A little bit of coke, but oh, and I'm getting a call. So, anyways, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.